Good day, everyone. Now, today, what we have on the board is finding the coefficient of a particular entity inside this question, which means the expansion of this. You find the coefficient. Coefficient means what is standing by its side. Coefficient. What is standing by the side? Look at the board now. If you look at me very well, what is directly standing close to me is this board. So my coefficient is this board. So anything that is standing close to x in this particular solution to this question is what we call coefficient of x. Now, first, what do we do according to the question in the expansion of this? Now, we first need to expand this. Although we have already talked about the expansion of brackets. So, and what did we say about that? Let me remind you. We said that what? We are going to use the entity in one bracket to expand the one in another bracket. So what do we do from here? So what's the first one? 4x squared multiplied by this first one. So we have 4 times 3, that's 12. X squared times x, that's x raised to power 3 or x cubed. So what do we have next? We have this same one times this second one here, but don't forget the sign, plus 4x squared times 1. You still get 4x squared. So you go to the next one. Since we have used this one to multiply the both of this one, you go to this next one here, then plus 3 times 3, 9, x times x, x squared, then plus 3x times 1, 3x. That's what we have for this one. So for the last one, minus 1 times 3x minus 3x. So minus 1 times plus 1. That's minus times my plus is minus. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now, let's simplify this to the lowest term. We want to remove all those ones that look alike. So this one, 12x raised to power 3. There is no other thing like that. So you write it because it is the only one carrying the cube. So then plus 4x plus 9x. That is plus 4 plus 9. That's 13 plus 13. Then put the x squared because they have it in common. So this one, excuse me, so plus 3x minus 3x is just like saying, okay, you have a 3 naira in your pocket and you have already lent some 3 naira from somebody. Now, when you give the person back the 3 naira, how much do you have in your pocket? Nothing, because you have paid back your debt. So we don't have anything like x there again. So we have minus 1 that is left. Now, our question is the coefficient of x. Now, first, let us sort everything out. This is x cube, Abi. X is over 3. The coefficient of x cube is what? Is 12. Why? Because I already told you that what is standing close to it is the coefficient. So it is 12 here. Now, look at this one, x squared. What's the coefficient? 13. You have seen it already. Thank you. And the last one, 1 here. Now, what is standing close to 1 here is what? Is x raised to power 0. Yes, x raised to power 0. That is what standing close to 1. Do you know why? Because x raised to power 0 is what? 1. Yes, because anything raised to power 0 is 1 in mathematics. So x raised to power 0 is equals to 1. But where is the x in this question? There is no x. Now, in any case that you don't have x that is standing alone, don't forget that there are x's here, but the powers of x differs. So they said x, and the power of this x is what? Is 1. So this one is carrying 0, 2, and 3. Now, we have to improvise. And how do we improvise? We say that the coefficient of what? Of x that is not even in this question is what? Is 0. Is 0. Why? Because anything multiplied by 0 is what? Is still 0. And that is why we don't see it here. That is one of the magic of mathematics. It is very simple and straightforward. Please remember to share this video, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and please comment if you have any question, because I believe that some of us we have questions under this one. Thank you very much.